Equipment and tools needed for modification. Before installation, the aircraft propellers and VTX antenna must be removed. To facilitate subsequent installation, use a 2.0 mm screwdriver to remove the 10 cubic meter screws on the top of the aircraft. Use a 1.5 mm screwdriver to remove the two M2 screws on both sides of the logo light on the top plate. Just lift up slightly to open the top plate. Then unplug the logo light cable. Use a 2.0 mm hexagonal screwdriver to remove the CNC side plate fixing screws under the aircraft head. To separate the camera from the aircraft, use a 1.5 mm hexagon screwdriver. Remove the 4 screws at the bottom of the DJI-03 air unit. Remove the air unit cable and power supply cable. To complete the removal of the air unit, insert the 2 air unit heightening pads and M2X 10 mm fixing screws into the air unit carbon plate fixing holes. When installing the air unit heightening pads, make sure the protruding side faces downward and the notch faces inward. Before fixing the air unit, fix the battery strap under the air unit. Install the air unit side panels onto both sides of the air unit heightening pads. Then tighten the 2 side panel fixing screws at the back. It is recommended to tighten the front screws last to facilitate the subsequent installation of the air unit. Then fix the air unit on top of the heightening pads. Use M2X 10 mm screws to tighten the air unit. After the air unit is fixed, use a 1.5 mm hexagonal screwdriver to remove the 4 screws on the top of the air unit one by one. Open the air unit cover. Replace the original VTX cable with the one that comes with the aircraft. Finally, tighten the 4 screws on the top cover and the side panel screws. Insert the power cable of the air unit. Next, we fix the camera to the CNC side plate. When installing the silicone dampers, you need to check the camera's front and back orientation in advance. The camera logo is installed downwards, which is considered the front side. Install the silicone dampers with the protruding side facing outward. When installing, please pay attention to distinguish the left and right directions of the silicone pads. L is for the left side and R is for the right side. Use the M2*5 mm screws in the upgrade kit. Fix and lock the silicone pads to the camera. Install the camera into the CNC side panels on both sides. Tighten the 2 side panel screws on the front of the O4 Pro. Use 2 M3X 8 mm screws to fix the CNC side panel kit to the head of the aircraft. Connect the LED light terminal wires and install the top plate into the aircraft. Tighten 10 cubic meter screws. Finally, tighten the 2 M2 screws on both sides of the logo light. The modification of the Taurus X8 V304 Pro is completed. Thank you for watching.